This is late upload and taken as a raw video po. Taken po November 10, 2025, just after a few hours, just after the Super Typhoon Uwan. Si Super Typhoon Uwan po ang gumawa at naglipad ng bubong ng bahay ng tatay ko. And Super Typhoon Uwan caused a lot of pain to each and everyone, especially in the people of the rural area dito po sa aming lugar. As you can see, trees uprooted and roof gone. Yan, nilipad ng hangin. At napakarami pong nawasak na bahay. Ayan. So, it took a lot of time. Took more than 3 weeks to clear the passage and road. Especially po sa electric current to be back. It took about 3 weeks para sa amin dito sa aming lugar. And because of this catastrophe, the data or signal or reception ng mga internet dito sa lugar namin ay hindi pa maganda. That is the reason why we can't upload and be live sometimes, because we are really looking for the good side to find the reception much better than here. Ayan. So as you can see, this is my best worried. Ito, dreadful worried ko po to. Yung mango tree na yan. This is our mango tree. And my auntie was the only one who live here in this area. And gladly, grateful that this mango tree never been uprooted. Because if it does, yung mango tree po mag-fall down sa bahay and the other bahay. So, ang dami niyang papataying bahay. On the night of the dreadful November 9, 2025, when the time of 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock until 3 o'clock, yan po ang pinakamalakas na parang ipo-ipo ang hangin. It's just like a turbulent. It's like a twister. It's hurricane na nakikita ko sa mga ibang bansa. Entire of my life, ito po si Super Typhoon Uwan ang pinakamalakas na hangin na aking naranasan. And this was really dreadful. I haven't get over from it kasi until now, nakikita ko pa yung bubungan na yan. Wala pa rin. Because to make a house, it took a lot of money. And to build a house for me, it took me 300K to make another house again like this. Kaya again, thank you so much to all your support, to all the people who really helping me, lending me money for this time because I don't have job. I am very sickly. And yeah, we don't have house. And then my one cousin lend us their house, kaya nakikitira po kami. Ayan. As you can see, all the trees almost uprooted. And the good thing is, we don't have flood here because our area is a bit like a hill na medyo mataas. Pero yung mga mabababa ang bahay na ano ba yun? Naabot po ng tubig. Kaya napakarami. And again, once again mga kaibigan, you can help me, you can help us because I am doing the fundraising. And maybe if you can donate to us, every one of us here, the neighborhood, maybe solar light, flashlight, that's a huge help. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas po, napakarami pong bagyo. Especially dito po sa Mountain Province po. Kaya nga tinawag pong Mountain Province Kasi nasa bundok po kami. And we are very thankful because we have the Sierra Madre Shrine na parang tagapagligtas po ng lugar namin, si Sierra Madre. Kung si Sierra Madre ay wala, para po kaming Cebu or Visaya region na wala pong mga bundok na humahadlang sa hangin. Kaya si Sierra Madre po ay napakamalaking tulong. Kaso lang po, ang nangyari, ang hangin po ay galing sa sa east. Ganon katindi. Sa Hilaga siya galing. Kaya nawalan po kami ng bubungan. Tumatawa po ako, relate lang ako kasi yung bahay na yan, matanda pa sa akin eh. Siguro time na rin na mapalitan. Yun lang, wala kaming perang pampalit, kaya it took us na mag-decide, magbenta ng lupa. Pero pag magbenta ng lupa naman, it took time. Kaya hanggang ngayon, nakikitira pa rin kami. And as you can see, marami po akong aso. I have a lot of stray dogs, 9 of them, 4 cats. On the night of that disaster, I also include these fur babies, voiceless creation ni God, na iligtas. Ayan. So, pagkatapos kong ilagay sa safety yung tita ko at yung kanyang anak, pumalik po ako sa bahay kubo at sinamahan ko ang aking mga nagrarambulang aso. Kasi that time, ay in-heat po sila lahat. Ayan. So, as you can see, tinuturo ko dito yung mangga. Kasi yung mangga, the branch of the tree fallen to its branch. Kaya, hindi po siya nahulog. Kasi kung nahulog siya, hazard po sa mismong bahay ng aking pinsan. Mababagsakan po yung bahay ng aking pinsan. Of course naman, yung mga pamilya ng aking pinsan, sa kinagabihan nun, nag-safety na po sila, nagpunta na po sila sa malaking bahay na isa. Ayan. Kaya sa mga nagdo-donate, salamat po. At kahit hindi nakarating sa akin, once again, maraming salamat. Again, I'm still accepting donation. Para saan? O, ayan. In kind, baka gusto nyong magpadala ng pagkain ng aso, I'm also accepting. Mga vitamins ng aso, okay, you can send me here. And one more thing, I want to extend the help. Kaya ko to ginagawa para sa fundraising ng aking mga kamag-anakan dito. At itutumba natin lahat, yung mga kailangan nating itumba na mga puno. Kasi to cut down a tree, it took a lot of money. It took around 10,000 peso to cut down this kind of tree. So how many tree? Isa dito, tapos tingnan natin sa may pinsan ko kung meron din sila. Ayun, tutulungan natin sila. Okay? Again, once again, sa mga lahat na gustong mag-donation, ayan, you can give us solar or flashlight. Flashlight is a huge help po sa ganitong mga time ng calamity. O, sasabihin ng iba, flashlight lang, walang maibili. Of course po, sa ganitong bagay, ganitong lugar, isang kahig, isang tuka po kami. Yan, di ko kinakahiya magsalita kasi alam nyo, yung mga ganito na farming at may mga paaral, may mga colleges, talagang bitin na bitin po ang pera sa ganitong mga buhay. Kaya, ayan. At sa mga gustong mag-donate ng mga libro para sa mga bata, mga drawing books, at kung ano-ano pa, welcome. Because I have a lot of kids here, hindi ko anak, mga pamangkin, mga bata dito, you can donate as Christmas gift to them. Ayan. And of course, again, sa mga fur babies, you can donate also anti-rabies vaccine, mga vitamins, at kung ano-ano pa. Welcome sa mga donasyon. Yan, you can reach me on my number, you can message me, whatever, you can knock. And, of course, I'm really grateful to show up to you. Whatever the kinds of things na ma-receive namin, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So, ganito ang ginawa ni Owen sa aming buhay. Winas out niya talaga lahat ang aming mga pananim. Mabuti na lang yung mga grain ng palay ng aking mga pinsan ay nakatayo pa rin. Pero yung sagingan dito, wala na. Ayan. So, thank you everyone. This was Islet Upload. Yan po yung bahay ng aking mga aso. At dyan din po ako nakatira paggabi. Kaya mabuti na lang hindi nilipad ng hangin. Ayan. Again, once again, this is Alma Bel Rames, Energetic Mamita Supermom, Energetic Supermom TV. Thank you so much for always supporting me. And, of course, never to forget, thank you to all the people who watching and subscribing Quentube Timeless Inspiration on my other channel. Thank you very much. It's reaching out 8 million. Ayan, more than na yata. Hindi ko na asikaso because we don't have internet on this land yet. Naka-data lang po kami at kung saan-saan kami naghahanap ng signal. Ayan, thank you, bye, I love you all. So yan wala na kaming wala nang puno, wash out na talaga.